Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. So recently TCS conducted an meet where the students who gonna join company very soon, okay, like everything has been uploaded, generated, just joining letter is yet to be generated. So these candidate had a meeting with TCS employees, okay, where they can ask tons of doubts and all the doubts would be clarified by the engineers. Okay, so whatever things that I gonna show you in this particular video is validated and it is being from the company side, so you can trust all of our information. So to support us, please consider like this video, subscribe this channel so that you will get most genuine and accurate updates on time. Clear? So in this video, we're gonna talk about finally TCS answered all of the doubts which we have. No onboarding fees, is that true? Because people asked it and they answered that. So doc verification, work location and doubts related things would be clarified here. I want to tell you that you might be a parents of a child who are waiting for TCS onboarding or their results. Okay, so this video is dedicated to those who appeared in on-campus NQT test. I would say on-campus opportunity, the students who got the roles. The onboarding is going for them, not for the off-campus people who wrote the TCS NQT examination in February and appeared for interview, I guess, in March and April. Okay, these are not for them. These are the students of on-campus placement students. Clear? So now let's begin the journey with the very first thing which I got is the forwarded message TCS meet on 29th of July. Onboarding ongoing already started, which means the chunks in batch wise, TCS has started onboarding the people who got placed through on-campus placement and few doubts that related was ILP. Okay, this is the particular message which I got from the candidate in a summary manner so that I can cover all of the important points. So 99% focus on Java in the ILP training integrated learning program via TCS. Okay, so it would be of 99% based on Java programming language and it would be 2 to 3 months of training. Clear? 6 weeks for digital candidate, 8 to 10 weeks for ninja candidate. The training period would be, but for prime there is not much, like 1 week or 2 week training would be there. Okay, I believe so. Because the candidate whom I know personally, he only appeared for 1 week training, then he got the project as a prime engineer. But for digital and ninja, you need to go through some comprehensive boot camps and training periods, and you need to prove there at it always, because tests and assessments will gonna happen in the TCS itself. Very clear? So this is the update regarding the ILP training. Now let's talk about the IPA exam. So if you're not registered, cannot register now, may take part in later. So most of the time IP exam conducted in phases. Okay, so if you miss one phase, not a problem, be prompt in the another phase when they publish the form for another phase examination. Please fill it and get your thing done. Okay, so benefit of writing IPA exam clearly arts in the meeting itself. So testing your foundational knowledge, okay, what you have studied through IMP, or I will say the courses which is provided on your portal and how you performed it and how you gone through your concepts. And priority in onboarding, let's say if you have scored more than 85%, you might receive a priority onboarding in TCS or from the TCS side. Learning and growing is a thing. If you learn something, if you give time on something, you will definitely learn from it. Okay, now issue. Not able to attempt IPA due to any reason. So no issue, but recommended to attempt. So these are the words of TCS employee. Okay, so you can trust here. So although I always say it's not a mandatory exam that if you not attempt, your offer letter would be revoked. It's not like that. But must recommended that you should appear for this examination because it's related to your recruitment drive. Clear? Hall ticket not received, you should mail to Explore team or Explore support. You might have received his or the Explore team email address in your personal or registered email ID. Very clear? So now let's talk about the another update which is for accommodation support. For what? People are joining their training location. Please make sure that you know about the work location and training location. Both would be different. Training location where TCS train employees and work location where these trained candidates deployed onto. Clear? So you have to manage yourself. Expect Trivandrum might be they are providing accommodation for Trivandrum people. Note, work location and training location may or may not be the same. It may be, but may not be. In work location, you will be deployed on the projects where you need to work on projects, but the training location where the comprehensive training will go through. Clear? Upgrade result soon in couple of weeks. Upgrade result, which means the people who already had a result on the through the on-campus drive and they appeared in the NQT exam off campus. Now they are looking for their result, whether they got upgraded or not. So soon in couple of weeks, they said you will be getting it. So couple of weeks can be a month as well. So don't see, okay, let's calculate from today's like 7 days and right after that we'll see. No, couple of weeks can be a month as well. So will not be able to join until your upgrade result is out. Okay. So until your upgrade result is not out, the people won't be joining. Okay. So until your offer status is clear, until that you won't be getting any joining letter. Very clear. So additional certification, you can mail your certification to Explore support. They can try to allot the role accordingly, but not surely. Now people do also have some problem that, okay, I have pursued Mon Stack, I pursued Java full stack, so what to do next? So you can put your certificate into, or I can say you can attach your certificate with your mail and you can directly shoot a mail to the people of Explore team. They might consider that request and allocate you that particular project, but it is not sure. Clear? Document verification, which comes under BGC. So yes, can start uploading a document available with you, which can be Aadhaar, PAN, 12th mark sheets. Okay, have upload medical and NCA for after receiving joining letter. NSRI card can apply now and be ready with it. I already created a video on the documents, okay, how to create the documents or what are documents that you should have and for what you need to create the affidavits, as well as the NSR registration card, how to create this. So all these videos are available. I will try to ping up in the I button above, you can see. Otherwise, you can see in the description. I might have tagged in the sections of videos, okay, you've been watched at. So yes, birth certificate, affidavit, if it is not in your language, like if it is in the state language, you need to have an affidavit. So career gap, you need to declare. The birth affidavit is required only if you don't have any EDs. The passport, PAN card are mandatory documents. As I told, if you don't have password, you should apply for it and give the reference or application ID. Invalid passport number, issues resolved and will work when the next portal works appropriately. So these are the things that you should work on and that you should see. Okay, so workplace visits, all workplace visits were cancelled due to unfortunate circumstances of the country at that time. Okay, workplace visit, which means the place where you're gonna join, or it can be the on-site, it has been cancelled for now. As you can see, the layoffs and the market situation is not up to the mark. So you need to bear this particular problem. Business unit, they've already allotted a business unit to everyone and will be revealed very soon. Business unit mapping survey, no more survey, already allotted business units. The students who are about to join or their joining letter is already created but not been sent because of some situations, the business units has been allocated and you will be getting it very soon. So these are the information which is coming from the TCS side. Please consider subscribing this channel, like this video and share with your friends so that your friend will also know about these updates and they can be updated in the current market trends. So we'll meet you with a new video soon. If you have any problem, the comment box is open for you and we'll try our best so it's found. Alright. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.